APA, or American Psychological Association style, is a set of standards for academic writing that describes uniform citation styles and formats for business, behavioral and social sciences, and nursing. APA style originated in 1929 as a way of establishing a uniform set of guidelines to increase the readability of scientific writing and establish a standard method of scholarly communication. Since then, the APA has published manuals that clearly set out these guidelines in the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. This style has evolved over the years, with the most current version being the 7th edition. The APA manual provides extensive guidelines on the correct organization of content in academic papers, as well as the proper citing of references. This introductory tutorial will address the citation formats and references in APA style. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to identify basic rules for formatting citations and references in APA, explain how to use in-text citation to give credit to sources, identify different citation formats for various types of sources, and assemble a reference list at the end of a paper by selecting properly formatted citation examples. So let's get started.